Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I wasn't going to do a second video on this, but I was just kind of cleaning up, and maybe it's going to send the guy the file while I was working on it. And I don't know what I was thinking of a while ago. If you would left-click and right-click in a different color, the yellow was pretty nice because you could see everything, but I could see that my E's are off that we drew, and this is kind of easily fixed, but it's a lot easier to watch it in this not wireframe. Everybody always calls it wireframe. It's just a hairline. And you could very easily fix this logo in not too long a time. I meant to grab both those at one time. And I'm not going to take a lot of your time, but if you look, I was quite a bit off on the V. The V actually does have a flat bottom, and I didn't notice it. And I really don't know how that's even working right there. Well, there, because I got it like that. So this would go here. Really, that other line isn't even there. So this line needs to go up to there, and then you could delete that line. There we go. That's looking pretty good. So do it without the fill. You know, think about grabbing more than one node at one time. If you're going to move them all the same distance, then you can always click off of them and move them back. One node at a time is fine, but like on this, double up. And really and truly, in not very long a time, I did the R, it looks pretty good. You know, you could do the G, get a little closer. This way you can kind of see the background. I definitely do it in like a red, but this way you can see what you're supposed to be getting at. And if you always know that you could turn this into a cusp, and then that way only one side at one time will. And I didn't notice the G, and I think we already used the G. The G has a little hard spot downward right here. I didn't have that in the original one. Matter of fact, it's got it right there, so we're going to double click a node. We'll go ahead and grab those and right click and convert them to a line. Now that screwed that up, but it doesn't really matter. Sorry about my language. Add a node there just by double clicking, and now this is definitely probably going to be a line. And because the one across the top's a line, it doesn't really matter. Delete that node. Take your handles now and move them around. Pretty close. And like I said in the previous video, in a half-inch, quarter-inch logo, you're not going to be able to tell the difference once you're done. Well, I've lost my V. Let's see what I did wrong. I had smart filled. I had them outlined. Sometimes you can't make things black unless you smart fill them and then make them black. And now the S's are terrible, and the whole thing, the D, but once you do all the letters and kind of sit back and look at it, I think you'll be happy. Trying to grab the shape tool or the pick tool and just get rid of the outline. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.